Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at text formatting. So how you can format your text using CSS. So here in this lecture we will take a look at some text formatting properties of CSS. One we have already seen, that is text align, which is here it is mentioned center. Now you can also have text align cell left. Let's save it and take a look here. Refresh it. Here it is aligned at the left. You can have text align to the right. Let's save it. Hit refresh. Now it's aligned at the right. And we have justify. Let's make it justify. Save it. Come here, hit refresh. So it's the default one. Then we have another property, that is text transform. Let me write here text transform. So what is this text transform? It will help you to format your text, to change your text to either uppercase or lowercase like this. Let me write here uppercase. Save it. Come here, hit refresh. You will notice that all of these will become caps. See, I like cheese. I am emphasizing it by making it uppercase. You can have lowercase also. It's lowercase. Well, let me save it. I didn't save it. Now hit refresh. I like cheese. It's normal. I like cheese. That's it. Then we have capitalize. Let's see what it is. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. I like cheese. So what's the difference? In this, all the first letters of each word are in caps. Well, so we have seen text align and text transform. So text align accepts 4 values, that is text align center, right, left, justify. Text transform, it can be uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. Then we have text indent. So let me add a paragraph here, P, and inside it let's write I like cricket. Let's save it. Now, well, let's give a stop here. Now copy it and paste it several times just to make it a big line. Paste, paste, paste. Now save it. Now let's style here the P like this. It will have a width of 300 pixel. It will have a background color hash, say DDD. Color will be, say, red, like this. Now let's see how it looks. So hit refresh. Here it is. Now inside it let's add text indent 100 pixel. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. Now see the first line. It is having a space of 100 pixel. So this is the text indent. It is applied to the first line of paragraph. Here in this case, because we are selecting the paragraph, that's why it is applying to the paragraph only. And that's it for text indent. Then we have letter spacing. Letter spacing. Let's make it, say, 10 pixel and take a look at I like cheese. Let's refresh. See, this is the letter spacing, which controls the spacing between each letter, not the word spacing but the letter spacing. It also accepts negative values. So let's make it, say, -5. Save it. -5 pixel. pixel was already there, that's why I didn't mention. Now let's hit refresh. See, you can't even see this, right? Let's make it say minus 2 pixel. Now hit refresh. See, now it's kind of condensed. Then we have word spacing. Let's make it say 10 pixel. It controls the spacing between the words. Let's hit refresh. See, it controls the spacing between each words. So what are the text formatting properties we have seen till now? One is text align, that accepts 4 values: right, left, center, justify. Then we have seen text transform, which can be uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. Then we have seen this text indent, which adds a space to the first line of paragraph in our case because we are selecting paragraph. Then we have seen letter spacing, which controls the spacing between each letter in a word. Then we have seen word spacing, which controls the spacing between each words. So that's it, friends. These are the text formatting styles that you can use in your project. Here I conclude this lecture. If you have any question, always feel free to ask. Don't hesitate. I am again repeating it. So that's it, friends. Here I conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.